On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What is going on our gang? Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Wow, Bitcoin ripping. Anybody get on? I think Frost just said he got in on that VWAP slap. Ooh, I took it and I closed it early. You know, I'm getting set up here. I saw it and I'm like, you know what? I could take a stab here. Then I could go on the stream and show everybody that I'm already in the trade. But you know what? I'm out of that trade. Okay, I did take it. I closed it early. Break even trade. Not even making money. I think I lost $11 or something like that. My God. Starting off with a bang. What's going on, everybody? Good to see you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I love you early risers. All you people here who show up early, ready to get that beautiful. What are we after here? Them dollar bills, y'all. Is that how this I don't think the generation says dollar bills, y'all. That's very 2000-esque. John Foster Crypto, what's going on, man? Thank you for the 5 gifted memberships to start it off with a bang, 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 bang. You know what I did? You know what my wife does? Okay, I can't take credit for this. She cleans. I have 2 of these. She cleans them. Okay, I got a fresh. You know how grungy these things are? The next streamer, go ask them when's the last time they washed their microphone. Especially when you're beatboxing into it. My God. Grungy. I should show you guys my old microphone cover that's currently being washed, but my God. John Foster Crypto, what's going on? Thank you for the memberships, man. VJ. We all love a VJ, but you are a lurker, VJ. Oh man. We started off with a guy named VJ. Everybody, let's put some VJs in the chat. Because we all like Mr. VJ here. How are they going to do that to me, Billy? They're going to start my stream off with a guy named VJ. Like, Ooh, all of the things in the tradesman head is going off right now. Terrence, good morning to you. Lurker, Smash FPV. I think I've seen you before. Good morning. History, Lurker, Chris G, Lurker, and welcome, BJ. VJJ. Okay, I said it. I got it out. Sierra, Rashad, good morning. Defiant, Airdropper, St. Pete, good morning. Good to see you. 90K by Friday. Patrick Sod, Oscar Jansen, good morning to you. Jeffrey Stone Cipher, my man, what's going on, man? Andrew Cameron, Jakes, Janor, Crypto Billy in the chat. Let's see some CBs for Mr. Billy. Froth, grateful Alex O as yeehaw. Good Morgan. Let's go, man. Good to see you, Froth. Yeah, I did get long here. I mean, I closed. I was starting the stream. I got long off the VWAP slap. And then I'm like, you know what? I got work to do here. So I denied myself of like an easy long right now. That's fine, right? Yeah. You know what? It typically does. They're typically like once, I would say twice a month at 8 a.m. There's like on the dot, 8 a.m. There's a good trade setup. At least twice a month. Like on the dot. But right now we're ripping. Alexandra G. What's going on? Good to see you. Drive safely. Donato Cabrera. What's going on, my man? Thank you for always showing up. Boat, good morning to you. JR, it's in the game. Let's go, buddy. What's going on, bro? Big pimpin'. Let's go. Rudy J. Good morning. Rashad Muck and Chantel. Good morning to you. Quick Smoker in the house. My man, what's going on? Good to see you as well. Billy in the chat. Tony Soprano. Hanseku. Good morning, LJ. Good to see you guys. Andrew Cameron, school needs to start before 6 a.m. for the kids. The moves love to start between 4 and 7. Yeah. I mean, you got a nice little accumulation, triple drive, bullish divergence down at the bottom here. So nice little move this morning. But that's all right. We're not going to catch them all. Pokemon, you know. Good morning. Maureen's in the chat. Good to see you, Maureen. Hopefully you're feeling all right. Albert Rajag. Good morning to you, man. We'll go over the trade setups yesterday. I had like one of the filthiest, beautifulest trading days ever yesterday. I mean, give me volatility, baby, and call me AlexOCrypto. Andrew Ruiz, good morning. Pro Vishnu. I had like my first almost $3,000 trade yesterday in a long time. So banging them. Hook set anglers. Let's go. Gang. Chris A. Ibrahim. Good morning to you. Zena with the pink hand. Good morning, Jesse. Good luck. Jeffrey Stone Cipher. Hook set. No sound. We got sound, baby. We got sound. Everybody in here, we got sound, right? Yeah, we got sound. We're good to go. Good to see you, Colin. Not James Bond, Pappy. Crypto Wanderer, Jason, Jesse, J Violet, Fuji. Good morning to you, Daniel. Froth, John, Mikey Gobi. Coming up into the golden pocket right now, a rejection zone. Okay, a little bit overextended in my opinion. So can we come back for the liquidity in the lows here? Same with when we zoom out. We have don't mind me, I got a new mouse, okay? Whoa, this thing is like, guys, this TradeFly got me this mouse. I don't know. It's like a Cadillac, guys. It's like, first of all, it's wireless. It's got this like wheel on it, man. It's like magnetic. It's got like all these, I don't know, man. I've never felt so like sexy with a mouse. I mean, mouse porn. Anyways, thank you, TradeFly. He got me a mouse. He sent me a mouse, man. That's what friends are for. Let's see some TradeFlies in the chat. We're going to pump his channel today. Man, God bless you, TradeFly. See, he gave me a gift like I would give my wife a gift. You know when your wife is like, oh, man, our vacuum sucks. Oh, man, our vacuum sucks. And she says it about 3 times. And then you go out, you get your wife a new Hoover 5000, the Nimbus 2000 of all vacuums. You come home and be like, see, honey, I listened to you. I knew you wanted a new vacuum. And then she goes, I just wanted you to vacuum. Oh, man. But he heard that we had a busted up mouse. And he got me the Cadillac. I mean, this thing is like, I don't even feel worthy of the clicking. But look at the scroll on this thing. It's like, woo, woo, woo. Okay, I'm making you guys dizzy, but like, incredible, man. I feel like I got a spaceship in my hands, you know? Oh, man. So we have liquidity. We've moved up pretty quick here, okay? Big snap reaction here. Moved up really quickly. Okay, lots of liquidity in the lows below us here. So interested to come down if we get some sort of swing failure pattern up at the highs here. We're a bit overextended, okay? So let's be patient here. Want to go off confirmation to the downside and just fire off a short, but let's be sure, okay? Let's be sure because the bullish momentum, the volatility is up the wazoo. So you want to be careful here. There was the long there at the VWAP, but we'll continue to search. And thank you, TradeFly, for that beautiful the mouse. Spaced, good morning. Froth, Tim Young, Rashad, Jesse Gluck, John Foster, Crypto, Maureen, good morning. Rudy J, Guten Morgen, Kraken the Wagen, The Quantum, good morning. Welcome to all the new members. Videsh, good morning to you. We got Harris, Netherlands here. Let's go. Ruud van Nistelrooy. I used to love watching him play football. Okay. Freddie, good morning. Diaz V, good morning to you. Lurker, let's go, baby. Gains for life. Jeff Carlson, John Foster, good morning to you. Boa, Buck, Crypto, Billy in the chat. T Fata, Sonny, good morning to you. Seema True, good morning, good morning, good morning. Jared Lewis called me Dave. Good morning, sir. Trent Brock, Infinite Team, TA Dex, afternoon. Good to see you guys. Good afternoon to all those in the other hemispheres or time zones, whatever you're into. Look for the sweep of this high here. That would be more interesting. 786, sweep of the high. Okay, let's not get overexcited here. I'm overexcited. I'm in a great mood this morning, even though my son still does not know how to sleep. I think I'm going to invest in a tranquilizer. That is just a joke. Crypto Pondering, good morning to you. Jay Violet, Jesse, Welsh Jesse. Jesse and Welsh Jesse. James Millman, good morning to you. Good to see you. Francis DePena, good morning, just a sub. So have we decided on music? No music. Yeah, we decided real quick. It was like 50-50. I'm not going to add music if it's not over like 70%. We want a majority. We want a majority government in Canada, okay? I'm not going to get into politics. Crypto King, top of the morning. We had a politics section in our Discord for like, I think it lasted 2 hours. Like, oh man, it got real bad real quick, okay? We're here to trade. What was that guy's name? Steve something. I can't see general chat anymore. No music, please. See? There we go. Trade flies in the chat. From the Netherlands, Steve Ruggles. Steve Ruggles. That's the guy, man. When you're struggling. Steve Ruggling. Yanis, good morning. Good to see you. Mohammed, hello. Good to see you as well. Fuji, how long is the delay? I don't know. I would guess. I don't know how long the delay is. Logitech MXS? I don't know. It's MX Master 3S. Yeah. I don't know. It's like, I feel like I got a Cadillac, man. I threw out my like fake gaming mouse that cost me $16 with cord. Look. piece of garbage, man. Hey, it clicked well, okay? It clicked well. But I press the click button on here and I just feel like I feel better every time, you know? It's like a Billy Goat Tails mouse. It makes you feel good, right? Like it's like really like, you know what I mean? Like it's a wellness mouse. Gains for life. Good morning. Quick smoke for HRJ, one of our traders in the Discord. Good morning to you, Little Fish, Tony Soprano, Anto. Good morning to you, Pele Photography. Okay, 618 rejection here. Little. I mean, we're very overextended here. Like rounding off here. How's our 12-hour momentum wave here? Yeah, to the heights. Okay. 24 is probably trigger wave. Oh, are we going to load slow today? We can't start off loading slow. Yeah, trigger wave. Okay. Stream's going to get iffy today. It's going to be one of those days. That's all right. We got 361 people in here. 360. I got to do a spin, guys. Sorry. $360 people in here, 79 likes. Thank you for being here. I just spun for you guys. That's awesome, man. Thank you guys for being here, hanging out. We're live here every day, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Hanging out with you guys, trading this market. We'll see what we get today. Always a good time. Sexy mouse. Yeah, we love that. AlexOCrypto pro tip: click the scroll button to delete. What? I don't want to mess with it. Click the scroll. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dave Digital, you just changed my life. I'm just a Control Z kind of guy. Or Control Z for you Americans. Good morning, Crizzo. Good morning, Winston. Okay, looks like 618 rejection's not really appealing to me right now. We did hold VWAP here, so we could come back down to VWAP and continue. Did leave a little fair value gap back in here, looking to come and mitigate the highs up in here. Okay? We'll see how this goes here. A vacuum is perfect Valentine's gift. Let's go. Man, you guys are chatty today. I can't keep up, man. I can't keep up. Happy Tuesday, folks. Oh. You talk enough, there is no need. Thanks, Dave. Thanks, Nick. Sorry. Jack Daniels, the baby. Uh-oh. Steve Ruggles. Hola, Nick. Just cover it. Play Limp Bizkit. Rolling over. What? Hey, ladies. Tamale, good morning. Good to see you. HFG, George of all, good to see you. HFG Froth. I just think this could be like Monday false move. Monday was a crazy volatile day yesterday. I made a lot of money yesterday, but it was nerve-wracking. It was like high stress trading. Okay? I'm just trying to get through the comments here, man. Nick, what's going on, Fuji? Maya, happy Tuesday. Hoping everybody is doing well. History oddities, good morning. Okay, so now that's pretty good here. Yeah, so yesterday we're going to talk about the trades because trading was intense yesterday, okay? So we can get rid of this. We're prepared right now, looking for a rejection. I also have it on my other screen over here, so if anything starts popping off and we can look for a possible short right here. But yesterday was incredible for me. I mean, I had a pretty good day, but you know, in our Discord we have a winners wall, but I always expect people. Wave Cypher, you broke the rules. I'm going to delete your post. I expect people to give reason behind the trades that they take. Okay, so for me, I had an orb test. VWAP reclaim took 75%, retest the high, a quick three grand. Okay, and I mean my day yesterday was quite lucrative. We were just absolutely decimating the charts. Okay, so just crushing it even after the stream. And just really playing that VWAP like a harp, man. I don't know if you want to call it a harp, but you come in here, right? And our stream ends here, right? But as we come in here, I was able to take this trade. I was able to take this trade. And I was able to take, and I doubled down, and this was my $3,000 trade. And I mean, we took that little short yesterday as well on the live stream, and then no trade for this crazy volatility. We would have liked to grab that low. But, I mean, it happened so fast. And then that bullish engulfing candle yesterday, we could have bought that. That would have been ideal. if we bought that bullish engulfing on the 1 minute, I believe it was. Let's take a look. So if we zoom in here, we can see that, it was understanding where we were trading. So we had blasted off. So bullish momentum here, flagging out. Okay, so we were talking about this in the Discord, how we were flagging out. Not something I trade, but I will take trades based on a retest of previous highs. Okay, so you should have this marked out as a buy level, right? As soon as you flip, it's a support and resistance flip, right? So you're looking for the price to return to the highs and continue upwards, and you have VWAP along the way. So you have 1, 2, 3 trades. Like, this is just easy money, right? I believe Goldie in our Discord while we were doing a live stream, she took along from here as well. So I mean, we were crushing it yesterday, even in the Discord. So it was pretty obvious, and it was just about managing your risk right here, right? Like, it was so volatile. Like, you're getting 2% moves off of each. I mean, this one was a 4% move, $3,000 later, right? So it was all there. It was about taking the trades with confidence and managing your risk accordingly, right? And the volatility can be a gift or it can be a burden depending on the way you're managing your risk. Okay, rolling over a little bit here, double top at 618. VWAP's a bit close in my opinion. I would prefer to come to the highs here, but this is starting to top out. So let's be patient here and see what goes on. Today, I told the Discord to put on their patient socks. That was my leadership advice. In the end of my video this morning, when I update everybody, I said, make sure you put on your patient socks. I got a lot of sock comments after that in in the update. So, trying our best to I don't think, are we gonna have a patient socks on the merch store now? Go and check out it's just gonna have a big otter that says trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting. Melissa, good morning. Good to see you. Whoa, nice numbers. Yeah, it was a great day. It was a great day yesterday. Department of J news is good. So we don't have anything coming out today that's really massive, but remember, we have overhead tariff looming deals, so that could be bullish or bearish depending on what's going to go on. All eyes point to the FOMC minutes and the inflation rate coming on Thursday. Okay, so it's not going to slow down, is what I'm trying to say. It's just going to continue to be absolutely crazy, and you must practice good risk management in an environment like this, because let's say whatever, EU decides not to do any deals with Trump or whatever it is, China hikes their tariffs, whatever, there's going to be a reaction on the market. Okay? Tony Soprano ordered the trading journal. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I mean, they have to deliver it all the way to the Antarctic to you and Schaefer. So I don't know. I told them I'd lend them my snowmobile, but they chose to take my moose and the sled instead. So they might take a little longer than normal, Tony. Okay. Bro, the reason was in the family chat. I'm sorry, Wave Cypher. Wave Cypher always posts his reasons why. I'm picking on you, man. I'm sorry, bro. You've actually been crushing it. I'm really proud of what you share and like your thought pattern. It's actually really helpful to me. I really enjoy having you in here and sharing your goodies, man. You have a lot of good ideas, and I mean, the whole gang is crushing it, but thank you, Wave Safer. I'm sorry I deleted your post. Just to even it out, I'm going to delete our fans to make you feel Arfeen, sorry. Rashad, unacceptable. Unacceptable. I gotta treat everybody equally here. Jay Violet, you didn't explain it. All right, there. I've done a little bit of a purge, okay? Okay, Wave Cypher, we all right now? Too much winning, guys. I would love a new vacuum for Valentine's Day. Lorelai, I'm not even lying. I bought my wife a vacuum like 2 weeks ago. It's like this super shark. It was like $450, but it was on sale for $300, so I couldn't resist. See, my wife finds the deal at least. She finds a good deal, but I mean, anyways, we won't go down the vacuum world. RS Miller, good morning. Frank Fit for Life Crypto, good morning to you. Dave Digital, JR, good morning. Kakaru, I love XRP. So what do you guys do like trading besides Bitcoin? A lot of people have jumped on that Sui train since CryptoFace has been absolutely smashing Sui, which I do like. Sui does respect the TA pretty well. It's very choppy, though. A lot of leverage in there. Solana, I find to be very beginner-friendly. What else do you guys like trading? Ondo is pretty good. I like Ondo. Link is another popular one. Link is a very good range token. Ask Nick Musgrave about Link. Are you shorting here, brother? I'm waiting for this. I don't think we've come up sufficiently high enough right now. We can look for the order block retest right now. So this is a trade setup I do like to take occasionally here. So we got order block, retest, continuation trade. Stop loss goes below the low here. And the continuation up. We also have VWAP confluence. So we can be looking for this one as well. But let's not rush it today. I think we're a bit overextended here. We can be looking for this one. I would prefer this one, but patience, 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 patience. Okay. See how we react in here, really. This is a trade I do like taking occasionally, though. So probably want to come lower VWAP support line. Yeah. We'll see. Continuation trade. The problem is that we do have fair value gap here. We do have, this kind of ascending triangle here and the liquidity in the lows here. So a lot for it to be like, haha, too bad. So I want to be patient here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Cross, good morning. Frank Fit for Life, what's the brand name of the mouse? I need a new mouse. It's a Logitech MX Master 3S. I don't know. I'm surprised it doesn't have a massage function where I could just be like, someone's got to make it, right? Someone's got to make the massage function mouse. We won't talk about other uses because I know you guys, all your brains went there. All of your brains went there. My God, this crowd, I can't believe them. Billy. Bunch of animals. They are otters. Please read the word Shima Yamulu. Shima Yamulu. What up? I probably swore in another language and YouTube's going to ban me now. Ratochka. What's going on? Gang. Good to see you, man. How you been? Good to see you. Frank Fit for Life, Provishnu, Maya, I always want to go, Jesse, good luck. Good morning. Diego, Jesse, Martin, Ramos. Your thoughts, time to buy or sell. It's time, for now, it's time to wait. It's time to wait. Right now, overextended to the upside, trying to bounce and continue, holding the higher highs and higher lows. We have some resistance above us that I'm interested in. Golden pocket rejection zone. Liquidity up in the highs here. It's done a decent job here so far, but this would be ideal if we came back in here and bounced. I just want to see a mitigation of the low before I pull the fib from swing low to swing high so I can get my area in here. Probably revisit the highs in here, but a little bit of patience is going to help. Going into market open this morning. A little rejection off the 618, not even 6.65, so golden pocket, but the 786 sweep of the highs really appealing. That's a beautiful little level there. And then obviously our supply zone up here with all of our liquidity up at the Monday high as well. So a couple of things that I'm interested in, just want to be patient here. Little chop city. So The volatility comes. It chops and then it pops, right? So patience will prevail. Mr. Mega, good morning. Melissa, good to see you. CM Designs, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Dusty, good morning. RS Miller, my man, good morning. Good to see you. Alex learning how to cuss in a foreign language to avoid the tip jar. God can speak all languages. Oh, man. Don't make me bust out the... I think, what can I swear the most in? Portuguese. That's because I work with a lot of Portuguese. Portuguese and Italian. Polish. I know a lot of Polish swear words, too. Why? Okay, I ain't being racist. I worked in the trades forever. Why do all the Polish either do drywall or tiles? Can someone answer me that question? They're great at doing I've never seen better tile guys than the Polish. Like incredible work. Which high are you waiting to take before entering a short? So I'd like to see this high mitigated. That's the 786 confluence up in here. 80,350. Right now, this is just bullish momentum to the upside. Don't want to really get in the way of it. Was looking down here if we were going to retest into the order block, but a little bit of patience. Vacuums are a great gift. Sometimes they work better than brooms, says R.S. Miller. For the pup, man. Hey, Alex. Hey, gang. Zonas, what's going on, man? Wix, Wi-Fi 89. Good morning. To the Wix. God bless. Hopefully you're doing well. I have a thumb mouse. Okay. The ladies love a nice treadmill for their birthday. Dave. I'm going to get me in trouble, man. Dano, any Otter Gang TA peeps want to post in my Discord? What? I don't know. Maureen? Nick? Jesse? R.S. Miller? Good morning to you guys. Buck? Okay, rolling over here. So this is some ugly topping pattern here. Ugly. This would be bounce-erific if we can get it here. Come on, baby. Come on down. Come on down to the bounce town. Right now, GP lies just above these highs, I think. Yeah. So we're just we're narrowing it down here. Isolating. I like to isolate price. So you just bring it in. With confluence, right? With key levels. That will allow us to make better decisions. Coming down in here. Pick it down now. That would be the top of the order block in here. Nothing, eh? Come on. Don't be a namby-pamby, Steve Ruggles. Alex, do you trim Oswald? Al Jr. Oswald is on fire lately. The thing is you must nip the bottom. Okay, we're coming down into this area. I'm getting excited about my money plant. I love my money plant. Coming down in the order block here. Trigger wave here. Forming on the 3-minute, 24 Still got room to the upside. VWAP's curving to the downside, bounce off the 0 line. That looks decent. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. They look all right. What's Nas doing here? Pushing. Okay. Breakout retest continuation. That's on the table as well. Got room here on the 1 hour. It's our 4. Is our 4 overextended? Big anchor wave. Okay, so we still got money coming in quite steep here. Look how aggressive that is. 3 hour pushing through. Green money flow. 2 hour room to grow. I like that. Yeah, so these all can continue up, and they are getting a trigger wave to the downside. So there's some hopium here coming down into our level. I'm looking lower. I'm looking at VWAP here. This would be only to come up and take the high here at max, really. Rolling over a little bit here. Coming to VWAP. Want to slap here. I want to slap here. Don't you tease me like that, boy. Sorry, I'm getting upset with it already. Just give me a slap. Slap and go. Push through. Push through, reclaim. Want to see strength here. I'd like to see volume come in a bit more aggressively here. We're decreasing volume up at the highs. When it stalls out like this with low volume, wait for volume to come in. We show you guys this in the Discord. So you want to see this surge and bounce. Okay? Or if it's flat, you don't take it. You can see the increase in volume in here, then the decrease all the way down here. So what you're waiting for, this thing can chop in here. You're waiting for that zzz, and then go. Okay? And that's when you fire it off, when you reclaim. Not until then. All right? You want confirmation here. Going long right now, yeah, it could work sometimes, but you want the price action, which is always going to be king, to tell you direction, right? Nice double bottom here on the 1 minute. And if it gets away, it gets away. You let it go, right? I mean, I'd much rather be confident. Doji engulfing on the way now. If we Doji engulf, we can consider it as well. Look at this Doji engulf right here, straight down. Boom. You can buy that. Take it lower. But no volume coming in. Only volume coming in on this candle here. Okay, so you need to be, in my opinion, you need to be picky with setups like this. You're very overextended to the upside. Okay, you're looking for the continuation trade. We've hit a double top in here. Rolling over. Money's coming out right now. But you have double bottom trying to push us back out. Okay. Order block retest, filling up some more longs, possibly coming back for late longs. All those people like myself who took the VWAP continuation trade here, coming back for those guys. So we wait here and let the price action tell us what's going on, right? Like it's nothing, no reason to rush in a situation like this, in my opinion. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. We got 450 people in here, man. That's awesome. Thank you guys for smacking up those like buttons, subscribing, all that good stuff. I do appreciate your support. Here every Monday to Friday, baby. 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. A great little short yesterday. Then the market blasted off and traded it for the rest of the day. Coming in here. Nothing yet. Patience, patience, patience. Okay. Good morning, Mike Whitney, Alexandra G, Safir, Paul Caruso. You waiting on a balloon dog? Yeah. It's got a rounded bottom though. It's more like a dolphin or something, man. Oh man, love it. I love it. I think Paul's looking at this balloon dog right here. We got a nice little. We'll see. Or if we're zoomed in a bit, I'm sure there's one down here. A little bit of a rounded balloon dog. It looks like more of a seahorse, bro. You gotta. Looks like a horsey. What's that Pokemon? Horsey? Okay, VWAP slap here. There's volume. See that volume come in right there? Now it's got to do something with that volume. That was just a push through here, right? So push through volume, continuation. Okay? Push through volume, continuation, no trade. That's why you wait, right? We could come back up and reclaim. That's very possible, but you can see the volume increased right here on that candle, right? To push through VWAP. Now it's coming back, so this could be the reclaim here. It has half swept the lows here. Now this is a retest of VWAP to reject downwards. Okay, unless it can reclaim. If it does reclaim, we look for this, okay? We don't look for a buy here, because this can retest and continue. The key is that we've rejected off the 618. Okay, it's the narrative, right? The narrative is we rejected off the 618. We've pushed up aggressively this morning. Everybody's bullish. They want to get long here. Right now we have double top, mitigation of the low, continuation down, okay? Liquidity. Liquidity. The reclaim is on the table, but it's not something we should be prioritizing just yet. Hopefully that makes sense. That's how I'm going to treat it. Good morning, Mark. Good to see you, bro. Buddy owns a restaurant, trying to get the Dave Digital added to the menu. Nice. Zoop. Slap my VWAP. Slap my VWAP. I need a tune for that one. So this is, yeah, this is chop, man. Chop and VWAP not giving us really direction. Pushing up above right now. RS Miller down until market opens. Going to be a lot of momentum down, yeah. I think down is more likely as well. I'm not too keen on the high, but I am very aware of all this liquidity down below here. Like coming back to 79,000 area, very much on the table. However, we could be doing our seahorse pattern here, guys. All right, we could be doing the seahorse here. Money's trying to come back into the market. Let's go 3 minute. Let's not try to get analysis paralysis. Just zooming in too much here. A little bit of patience. So what are the other pairs? What do you guys like to trade besides Bitcoin? You guys let me know in the chat. Are you using VWAP? Yeah, man. Standard deviations. Check 1 hour rising wedge. I'm sure that works. Nip it in the butt. I say nip it in the butt. I never said nip it in the bud. I've always said that wrong. I blame my mother. Don't blame your mother for anything. You got some flange on the beatboxing? Let's go. I'm proficient in cussing in English, French, Chinese, and a little Russian. Let's go, Maureen. I love it. I love it. I knew you had some extra curricular powers. Getting my OG decals for my guitars. Can't wait. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so we have a reclaim pushback here. Just wasn't, it's not for me. Not for me this morning. This is stalling out reclaim continuation trade here. It's just a higher low right now. $8.46. Thank you everybody for being here. Anybody take the VWAP here? I mean, it's working. 3 minute. We got Doji engulfing right now, so this is interesting. Doji engulfing 3 minute. Trigger wave. Anybody take that? Quick scalp. Should have been watching 3 minute. Army Piper. It's a trap. Yeah, I think it's a trap too, bro. We're looking lower. Mikey took the... Chris took it. Nip it in the bud. I say nip it in the butt. I don't know why. I've just always said it. Good morning, chicken. Good to see you, bro. Morning there, Papa O. Good morning, IKO. What's going on, bro? How you doing? Melissa, how you doing? Good vibes to you as well. David Brumbelow, my man. Then learn volume profiles. Alex is an advanced level scalper. I don't know. I don't think I'm advanced. I live in the trading view. That's from my residence. If you need to send me anything, it's a Canada Igloo Trading View. That's my address. Anyone finding good charts similar to Sui? Stewie respects the TA. I think that's the key. It's very choppy. You can tell there's a lot of leverage on that. Good morning, Piper. Good to see you, bro. Piper, TradeFly bought me this mouse, bro. He sent me a mouse. It's like, I don't even know. It's like a Cadillac, bro. I've never experienced something like this in my hand. My stiletto hammer makes me feel the same way. So maybe that's it. Stiletto Martinez hammer. Crypto Billy will know what a Martinez is. Crypto Billy knows what a Martinez hammer is, man. That's my baby. XRP, Ondo, okay. Hype. A lot of people like trading fart coin. Oh, here we go. I think they're going to do a fart coin ETF. Ticker is smelly or something. ADA. Oh my God, you like trading ADA, John Foster? My God, you're a special breed, bro. ADA is yeah. It's so when ADA goes, jumping on an ADA trend is beautiful, but besides that, don't touch that thing. It's cruel. If you get direction wrong, you get liquidated on ADA. French Toaster, good morning to you. Fart coin. I knew Wave Cipher was going to say fart coin, man. Let's prepare with the 5-second time frame, says Maya. So let's jump into it, guys. Okay, here we go. For all of you guys who need the... Look at that dump, guys. Look at that dump. My God. My God, look at the dump here, guys, coming in here. VWAP slap, VWAP 5-second VWAP slap. 5-second VWAP slap. I've never taken a trade on the 5-second. Maybe we do it. Oh, VWAP rejection on the 5-second chart here. Oh, pushing up. Pushing up. Who needs their dopamine this morning? Here you go. Oh, swing failure pattern in play here. Swing failure pattern at the lows. Oh, we're pumping. We're pumping, guys. Oh, my God. Pushing. Pushing. Let's go. Bitcoin to the moon. Look at that. Guys, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. This looks like a bear flag. Is that bad? I just said bear flag. Did we get our fix this morning? Wedge break, momentum down. Okay. Cass and Solana. Okay. Solana respects support and resistance really well. Arrow is good as well. Okay. Ton injective near. I like that. Ton has been misbehaving lately. Ton screwed us over in the Discord, remember? Injective and near, I do like trading those as well. Tradefly, can I get a link to the hidden camera feed in AlexOCrypto's mouse? Oh, yeah. He is in the army. He probably has the capabilities of having some spy stuff. Thank you, IKO. This is a VWAP battle this morning. I'm not about to get in the way of this. I'm favoring down this morning. I would like to see an SFP up in here. We'll see what we get. We got 530 people here. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. Subscribe if you are new. Smack that like button if you can. I would appreciate that. It does help the channel. We are growers and showers here. Good little short yesterday. Beautiful trading day yesterday. If you managed your risk and you traded the volatility, all you had to do is long VWAP yesterday. It was brainless. It was brainless. I don't think it's going to be that easy today. I think, that Monday, this could be our Monday false move, in my opinion, instead of yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was tariff news, right? Like long, all the way to the profit world. But right now it's like, okay, we've retraced, we've broken structure here, right? So this tells me that we should be favoring down, that we've closed below the low here, right? So this can be this, right? We no longer have a solid uptrend. We have mitigated the lows in here with this low. So like, is this? It's a little bit sneaky, isn't it? That's a very sneaky low in here, right? We'll see. Why do we have two longs in here? Some of you are long, some of you are short. Is anyone short? I don't think, unless you're short from up in here. I don't think anyone's short here. Not yet. Someone said there's a wedgie here. I don't know what wedgie. Are you talking about something like this? Like, I don't know how you draw the wedgie, man. Or are you talking about this one? I'm not a good wedgie drawer. I'm just here to give wedgies if you need some assistance. Looks like trap, yeah. Amen. God bless you, Billy. Thank you for being here. Grandmaster Ape, good morning. Good to see you, man. Mark Dutch, Crypto Rob. Nazmi, good morning. Sui, Ondo, Jupiter, XRP, some of your favorites. Nice. AVAX and Link. I haven't traded much AVAX. Bitcoin is silent but deadly. Yeah. It moves. Nothing F's you better than ETH. Yeah. ETH front runs everybody. ETH is mean. Can you trade on the second time frame? I can, but I choose. That's a little bit too much stimulus. Pushing up here off VWAP. I don't like it. And it's probably going to go. But I just don't like this stall out this morning. It's kind of it's suspicious. Very suspicious coming into 9 o'clock here. We'll see how our hourly and our half hour closes. This is suspicious. Cue Billy, Suspicious Minds, baby. I'm falling in love. I can't back down. That's why I love you so much, baby. Let's go, Billy. Sing it. Next retracement, I'm long on Sol. Nice. Reacting good to this area, yeah. It's holding, but it's interesting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's do a little top down here. We got 545 people in here. So Bitcoin rolling over pretty nasty. If we're looking at this, what we need to understand is that we have a nice pushback here, okay? There's a little bit of hopium here with our pushback from our daily candle yesterday, okay? So pushback, closing green, still okay. Acceptance into 80,000 is going to be ideal, okay? That's typically what we want to see is this acceptance back above into this range, okay? We've got, value area low. We got perfect tap of the value area low. Yesterday, can we continue to push? That would be ideal. Giving us a strong low in here. So looking for a pushback today. However, the trend is down. We need to be level-headed right now. Sorry about the scrolling. I got a new mouse. It's too fast. I can't handle it. Just really indecisive here. Trying to push back, but 3 drives. I can still see us going lower, 72, 71. Okay, still looking down here, but patience for now. 12-hour here as well, looking like a Jesus take the wheel. So this would push up, and then it would trigger wave down, and you take the short here. So as this pushes up over the week, let's say come Friday, you could have a possible trigger wave to push us down into the news, and that would be very detrimental. However, we do have a nice anchor wave, anchor trigger wave pushback here. So a couple of hopium things. Everything seems to be posturing to the upside this morning. However, overextended in a lot of liquidity below us here around 76,000. So be aware of that as well going into our trading day. This is going to be sticky, trying to get above here, right? If we close above here, then we get a range. We treat it like a range again, okay? That's very obvious. However, if we do not get above 80,000, we look to develop a range in here. So if this, then that, okay? Sideways is more painful, in my opinion, right now for everybody. So I would expect sideways, and I would expect us to come back down to at least the middle of the range here, and then maybe continue upwards. However, we are very much pushing, trying to get above here. So be aware of that as well. We have our 4-hour, very extended to the downside, oversold yesterday, popping back in naturally, but we are in this downtrend, okay? Corrective, whatever you want to call it, ABC, trying to bounce out of here and get going. However, clearly a lot of fear and a lot of uncertainty. We look over to our markets. We can see we got a little bounce off the S&P. We got a nice bounce off the NASDAQ, okay? USDT dominance hit a high and has rolled over. Not out of the woods yet by any means. Okay, so don't put your hopium socks on. Put your patient socks on today because it is going to be volatile. The VIX is up above 40, so it's going to be a very volatile day. Therefore, we can make lots of money or we can lose a lot of money. It's depending on your strategy and your risk management. We don't want to be over ambitious jumping into silly trades today. 3-hour trigger wave forming to the upside right now. So a little, like I said, overextended here. Wouldn't be surprised if we do something like this today. This is a very big range so far. We pumped 7% yesterday. Absolute insanity. Okay, so coming back into this general area around 77 to 76,000 wouldn't surprise me. We're trying to push right now as we speak. However, a little bit overextended, like I said. So can we push back out of here? Possibly. Looking to come for this high here. Closing above 80,000 would be ideal and pushing back into the range. If we do not do that, I look for the SFP up at the highs in here. Bearish divergence, down we come. Okay, very simple, but very effective. Okay, then we can look for either this low or the golden pocket retracement level to bounce, or we can look for the low to be mitigated, swing failure pattern, and back up we go. Okay, a lot of options here. Let's treat it like a range for now and see what we get. Okay, a little bit of a cool off here. Failed to mitigate this low, so we haven't fully changed trend yet. But if we change trend, we look for the retest and continuation down. If we are going to continue trend here, we can look for the retracement for a higher low and continuation out. Okay, very simple. Really in a hot dog zone in the middle of the range. Bouncing off of VWAP right now as we speak. So those who are in the long, make sure you guys are paying yourself because this thing could turn on us at any second. So be prepared for that. We do have a trigger wave coming down with VWAP here, so this could push us downwards, okay? Overextended this morning, a little bit of hopium, right? This always gives me cause for concern. Holding VWAP, trying to push up. If we fail to do so here, we could be looking for much quicker downside, okay? Take the stairs up, elevator down, be aware of that, okay? Wow, this scroll wheel, man. I just want to scroll all day long, baby. Let's go. Scrolling. Trade fly with the super scroll mouse. My God, I can't even handle it. If I misclick today, you'll understand. And that's where we're at, right? So now we're pushing up off of VWAP. Very slow and painful bounce off VWAP here. Not something I was going to take this morning. Some of you guys are in it. Make sure you guys are rewarding yourself with your bravery, taking profits, and securing the bag, okay? The hardest thing about trading is keeping the money. So you want to keep the money. You want to trade safe, especially in a volatile time like this. There's lots of money to be made. There's lots of money to be lost, okay? So thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. We have our top-down thesis. We'll see how it performs, okay? Nice little push here for Bitcoin, pushing up into 90210. Hourly candle just printed, okay, giving us a little bit of cause for concern here. Overextended on our VWAP. Trying to roll over the 30-minute as well, just printed, and we can see that we are getting a rejection on VWAP, but we still have lots of room to the upside for bullish continuation. So interesting enough, that tells me a little bit bullish after that. Nice 30-minute candle here. Doji hammer, okay, and then the hourly here as well. Indecisive. Can we engulf and continue? That would be cool. Okay, so prepared but not scared. Right, this is the concern. All of this down here, okay? A little bit quick in my opinion. However, Bitcoin will do what it wants to do. That's why we're here prepared, using good risk management, taking trades, kicking ass, taking names, okay? Thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Subscribe if you are new. We are here Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. trading these markets. 1 for 1 yesterday, quick little short, but great trading day after the fact, okay? A very lucrative day for me yesterday and hopefully for you guys. If you are new here and you do want to trade alongside with a whole bunch of beautiful people, live streams, there is a Discord that we do have if you are interested in making money, honey. We got beautiful trade setups, beautiful people. 5 traders in here, 5 traders giving you guys setups, giving you guys signals, giving you guys lessons, TA, a plethora of live streams with lessons catered to you. A beautiful family that says good morning. Look, we just all say good morning. We always make sure that we are acknowledging and treating everybody with respect. Oh, there's my son. What's going on, little man? Good morning. Yeah. How you doing, buddy? You decided to sleep finally, eh? Yeah. Aw. Good morning, wife. That's the fam jam. Fam jam's coming through. Mrs. Otter and Baby Otter coming through saying good morning. Love it. Nothing better, man. Nothing better. Nice volume surge here on that beautiful, beautiful candle here, pushing us up. A little bit of a rejection, okay? Patience will prevail. Look at the volume coming in on this. So, like I said, more interested in an 80. First stops here, 80,400 ish. Second stop would be the Monday high here at 81.2. Big range, big range. A little bit of patience here. Three-minute cup and handle. Okay. I don't. Whatever you're into, man. Take profit. If you're in that long, I would. You still got bullish momentum. Randy Hipper. Good morning, Randy. How you doing? Good to see you. Thank you for dropping by. God bless you. Little man. Yeah, thank you guys. Yeah, he's growing way too fast. He's almost taller than his father already. I mean, it's not a big feat, but he's doing good. Good morning, F1. Good to see you. 20K sub party today for Randy Hipper. We'll have to send over the gang. That's if Brewberry isn't live, but if he's not live, we'll send them over if you want. Good to see you. Only clogs. You're going to start an only clogs, Mark Dutch. Let's go. Open up the club, have a rave party. Hi, I'm new here, sir. Welcome, man. Thank you for being here. We're here trading every single day. Time to shine. Yeehaw. Yay for the kiddos sleeping in today. Me too. Nice. Yeah, my little man woke me up at 4 a.m. and then he cried till about 6 a.m. Then I went back and had another hour of sleep. And then I was up helping you guys. So that's life. That's life. It's beautiful. Got my 3% and got out. Nice, Billy. Breadcrumbs, baby. Collect those breadcrumbs. They add up, man. They add up. Little base hits, little singles and doubles, man. Singles and doubles. Nice rejection here. Trigger wave to the downside. Let's see a little gap up here for the S&P. See if we can get back above 5,250. Still not looking too hot. All right. Still waiting. Continuation here, trying to push. Little volume coming in right now. I like volume. Very choppy this morning, everybody, so patience will prevail. Trying to push up into our zone here. Nice push for Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. SFP of the high here. Nice long, everybody. Good job. Damn, Daniel, this thing's pushing, baby. Liquidity grab, continuation here. Coming into our 786. Retest of previous highs now on the table. Retest of the highs. Retest of the highs. Possible long here. I'm going to take a stab. Stab long. Nah. Can we get follow through here? Looking for follow through here. Didn't fully take that 786. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Got to go here. Doesn't go here, we're gonna be in a bit of trouble. Still like it for it to come for this high. It didn't even hit that high. That's interesting. Yeah. Steve Ruglin here. Retest, wick test right now. Stop loss below the low here. It's a big fake out. Big fake out. What do you guys think? Fake out? I'm short from the SFP. Yeah, we got divergence. We got bullish momentum too, so. I like it because we haven't taken that 786. That's basically what I like. Retest of previous highs, continuation trade. Gonna test the high again. $9.15 coming down here. Yeah. A little bit rushed, man. A little bit rushed. That's okay. See if we can hold the lows here. Continuation up, but not looking too good right now. Not looking too good. Big SFP. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. Push it, baby. Yeah, follow through with volume here too. Yeah. Not impressed, Alex. At this point, I'm looking to get break even. Watch it go to the moon. Who knows? The volatility, guys, is insane. It's like so crazy, isn't it? So crazy. What is this? Crazy volatility. Not even market open either. Just like straight up, let's go for a run here. It's saying. Full moon coming soon. I like the bullish momentum. Just see if we can push here. Should have waited, man. Should have waited back in here if we were going to take this. It was rushed. It was rushed, for sure. Playing around with schlongs this evening. You're playing around with schlongs. Little push up there. See if there's follow through here. I took 75% of that trade out. Okay. I can add if I choose to. I don't think I will choose to. I took 75% out there. Realized $16, but I wanted to de-risk, to be honest. Just a little bit rushed. So I de-risked up in here, put in the 75% out. I could add to lower my entry now if I want. But definitely a de-risk situation there. I'm still in it. I still got 70,000 in the trade. It just Gives me a little bit of options. Yeah, too volatile to add. Yeah. It's going to be a wild one again, friends. My God. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Right? If we do push here, I'm going to bring stop loss right tight to this low here if we push here. That's the plan. Trying to get up into here, right? Trying to get up into these highs. We got our 786 to sweep first. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. Push, baby. This is crazy, isn't it? It's so like, oh, it's so sporadic price action. It's so sporadic. Those who got in VWAP, good job. Great job. I'm getting out, man. I don't like this area. Took off the trade. If you're still in it, bon chance, okay? Bon chance. Oh, man. It's okay to cut that trade off. $32. Whatever. $32. Honestly, that could have completely dumped on our ass, right? So I don't think the bullish momentum's done yet, but it's not. To be honest, be careful with price action today. Like, be okay when you're unsure, just taking the trade off. Like, this could rip. I'm not saying it won't. This looks very, very strong. That's why we took it. But we're going right into market open here. We'll see how the S&P gaps. It's not something I'm want to sit in. Okay? $32 for the win. Yeah. We had like a $5,000 day yesterday, and then we had $32, baby. Let's go. Let's go. One day of diapers. Let's go. That's it. I mean, if you are new here, we do put on we do put on a lot more risks than that. I mean, this guy's out here grinding that $1 account. And I mean, there's no shame in grinding a $1 account at all. It's because the mouse, okay? It's the new mouse. Snatchy price action, yeah. It's a GG. Look. Rajag Gupta gave me the GG. Gang. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I bet you this is going to be a good close. Okay? I mean, come on, guys. We can't be perfect here. We have fun. Come over and hang out in the Discord. Amazing live streams, amazing people. $32 trades. We don't need your money. We just want your company. 5 traders helping you be profitable. That's what it's all about, baby. How's that for an advertisement, as they say? HFG, what did you ask, my man? Did I miss you? Those who got in on VWAP, you're pretty comfortable now, right? So good job. Let's see what market open shows. Exactly my thinking, man. Look at this thing going to the moon now. Of course it's gonna go up, guys. It's just that's the way of the world, okay? It's the way of the world. It's our job to be okay with it. Okay? Bitcoin ripping, baby. Bitcoin ripping. I want to short this thing now. I want to short it and say, who's your daddy? But we'll see. And what does he do? To check the video I shared in Discord. I'll check it. Of course I'll check it later, man. Not while I'm streaming. Come on, bro. Of course I'll check it. I'm trying to make our money. Luna Moon, good morning. Jesse, good luck. Good morning. Funny how quick you get. Yeah, that's it, right? That's so true. Win is a win. Still waiting. Market's open in 2 minutes, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Lunar Beaches, crypto in the chat. What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Continuation here. We chickened out of the long, okay? I admit it. I am a chicken. Where's Crypto Pollo when I need him? Where is Mr. Pollo? I chickened out too. Let's go. Crypto Princess, good job yesterday. We shared out your live stream. Crypto Princess popped her cherry on the live stream yesterday. Good job. Lots of tears. Lots of tears. Alexo Pollo. Still in, took 50% out. Okay. I mean, it's there. It's just, it's choppy, man. This is choppy waters. So let's be ready. 30 seconds, guys. We're going to come for this low today. What's the bet? I'll put money on this that we come for this low today. Anybody want to take the bet? Anything you want, you got it. 20 seconds. Here comes the pain, baby. Here comes the pain. Ding, 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 ding. Banana phone. Look at that. Called it to the tits. All right. Gapping up. S&P. Pushing, baby. Pushing. Big old Gapparelli here on the S&P. Can it keep up? Can it continue to push? Will we get a retest of the highs? Or will it just keep ripping to the upside? The NASDAQ on an absolute tear as well. The Dixie rolling over. Bitcoin pumping. Everybody's excited. Look at the push here on Bitcoin. Continuation here. Coming into our SFP level 786. Can we get a rejection? Don't get in the way of this train. Continuation to the upside here on Bitcoin. We took a long. We chickened out. We got out of the way. Still looking for an SFP up in here of the high. 786 level. I'm short. Stop loss above the high. Dump it, Bitcoin. Dump it. Stop loss to entry. $250 realized. I'm out. Big 250. Easy short. Coming back up. GG's. Got to be quick. Clear sign of bearish momentum. Rejection down. Now we look to re-enter. Very volatile, everybody. Make sure you pay yourself and stop loss to entry. Quick short. Nice bearish momentum there. Looks like a continuation here. We'll see if it does want to continue down. No follow through yet. Okay, push back here. Very volatile, everyone. Patience here. It was just too obvious. As soon as we closed below this candle, I took the short. Market in. Took 75% out. Looking for it to run down. Lots of liquidity in the lows here. Still waiting here. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Hanging out. Doji indecisive here. Look to attack VWAP if we do reject here. No mitigation of the low here, so a little patience. A little exhaustion too, choppy right now. Buy coming up to resistance. NASDAQ trying to flip support. Still interested in the short here, just want more confirmation. Good exhaustion up here. We got bearish divergence. I'd expect 3 drives, though. If we can get 3 drives, I'm in. We push up into here. One more push. Reckon late longs, right? People are bullish, 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 bullish. They almost got me bullish, right? Rolling over here. Good second candle. See if we can have follow through to VWAP. VWAP's going to be the sticky part here. So can it push into here, bounce, and then continue down? Ugh. Here's the slap. That's a very strong candle close here on our second candle. Follow through VWAP. SPY resistance. NAS resistance. Rollover on Bitcoin here. VWAP retest. VWAP retest. Mitigation of the low. VWAP retest. Continuation. I'm going to get short again. See if we can get follow through here. Nice follow through. Push Bitcoin. 75% out. Stop loss at entry. Same thing. Looking for follow through. Another $200. See if we can follow through here. Coming down to the order block down below. Target 1. Stopped out. Another $200. Putting on a clinic today, guys. This will be our 618. See, I should have adjusted this. It's a bit higher right now. You see that? Should have adjusted this on the fly. Didn't do it. Okay. My mistake. Golden pocket bounce. Should have known better. Another 200. Golden pocket bounce here. Continuation trade. VWAP retest again. Closing back above VWAP, showing strength. Golden pocket bounce, VWAP strength, continuation trade here. I'm long. Got a push here. This volatility is crazy, man. Wow, it didn't take my trade there. Push Bitcoin. NASDAQ still rolling over. S&P trying to go here. This is psycho price action. Got to go here. Looking for a continuation up. Push Bitcoin. I'm going to close that there. I don't like this here. I'm out. Flash close. Minus $100. Break even. Too volatile right here. It could go. I like the 618 bounce, but right now it's too choppy. No clear direction. This could easily roll over. Fighting VWAP. $100 loss. Not saying it can't go. I'm just saying for me right there it was too volatile. $100 loss. $123. That's fine. Still up 300 for the day. Look at that follow through. Yeah, a little bit too much chop for my liking. Nice golden pocket bounce here. Continuation back up though. Probably retest this order block. Pushing up. Retest to the lows. Continuation. I mean, we could have made a quick 200 there, but not too concerned about that one. We got our orb high here. Orb low. Breakout retest VWAP here. Yeah, chop in here. Chop in here. Looks like it wants to push, but I'm not. Two good trades so far. Insane volatility. Insane volatility. So sometimes you got to take a breath, right? Sometimes you got to take a breath. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it right. You know, the short was good. The continuation short was good. The long here was good. Let's take a breath. Let's reset. Okay. It can be, this is a high demand game, right? This is why we only come to the charts for a couple hours, man. Especially on days like this. Especially on days like this. Choppy fun, man. Click short here. I think you'd be wrecked. Retest the previous lows. Continuation trade here off VWAP. Nice bounce. Nice continuation here. This is nice. Thank you, everybody, for being in here, hanging out with us. We've already taken how many trades? 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. Okay. Break even. Win-win. Up $300. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. GG's, everybody. 2 wins, 2 losses? No, 2 wins, 2 break evens, man. Those aren't losses. I didn't get stopped out. This was a break even trade here, and this was a break even trade here. Yes, it was $125 after fees. That's 2 market orders. I didn't get stopped out, and I didn't get stopped out. Big difference. Big difference, especially with your P&L, man. You must always count your break-even trades because break-evens will save you a lot of money. I tell you that much. If you know you're wrong or you're not sure about your trade, you cut it. You cut it. It's a very strict rule of mine. Good morning, Seymour Liddy. GG's like good game. You say it after like a good match or you say it after a win or something like that. I'm pretty sure. Get those legs up, Otter. Gang. 630 people in here. Coming back down here. Also mentioned to people that exchange is giving you VIP status. Yeah, it is. It is. I do have VIP 7 here on Bitunix. Okay, my fees are lower than yours. Okay. I'm always transparent with that stuff. Of course, always. Okay. Always. You guys know me in exchanges. I started trading on FTX, guys, so I get it, man. I get it. Always transparent here. Quick sweep in here. Bounce. VWAP again. Again. Okay. NAS holding support. SPY holding as well. K6 has low fees. Yep. MexC. I don't promote MexC anymore. I should take that actually out of my description. They didn't really help me when the exchange went down. Ended up losing $5,000. They only gave me $10 redemption code. So MexC is in my bad books. MexC went down today. Yeah, see, there you go. Yeah. Doji here, indecisive, coming down to the bottom of the orb. I like Bitunix. I like the interface. It's really easy to use. Pretty quick with it. Like they have good slider bars and stuff like that as well. Here, let me double scam C's refund trader Geo, my man. Are you going live today, bro? Trader Geo and I banging out those 3 grand trades the other day. Kicking ass, taking names, baby. Guys, if you're not following, thank you for the 20, bro. If you're not following Geo, man, you guys got to wake up. This guy kills. Dude, I started looking at USDT dominance now, bro. I watched this whole video on USDT dominance. You crushing it, man. This is my neighbor, guys. A fellow Canadian. Kicks ass, take names. He's an actual trader. He's one of the few that I know that trade that I would suggest to you guys. Don't follow my man here, Trader Geo. God bless you, bro. Kicking ass, taking names, the Nexus. God bless you, man. We got Billy Goat Tales tonight as well. 2 at 9 p.m. Speaking on faith tonight. Fear and faith can't live in the same house, Billy. We know that. Fear and faith can't live in the same house. You got to have faith to faith to faith. That's it, baby. Healthy fear of God, baby. Kindness, love. Punching fear in the face, man. That's it. Anchor trigger wave here, pushing up. Holding VWAP. Choppy, guys. Very choppy. Yeah, Trader Geo and I like to go to the Leafs games and chirp all the old rich people. Honestly, you go to a Leafs game, they're so rich there. It's only like really old, bald white people. Like it's like straight boomers, man. Because tickets are like $400 a head. It's crazy. It's crazy. However, God is good and has blessed me with the ability to trade. I mean, we all put in the work. Army Piper says, watch it. Grass don't grow on a busy street, Piper. Four-hour point of control looks like we're getting pulled back up towards it. I haven't checked that 4-hour POC, Maya. Right now we're chopping VWAP, so it's like I need sort of direction. Like I need a decision to be made. Middle of the range of orb here, VWAP, chop, anchor trigger wave. Failing to really make a decision on VWAP here. Don't want to get overextended. I still would like to see the sweep of the high over here. This would be the target. 786. We didn't fully tap it. Then we're looking for the high up here. If we're gonna push. However, there's so much liquidity below us that it's like this is way at least coming for this low here. At least 78.7. Much more on the table in my opinion. SPY trying to push here. Nas is getting above this critical level of support and resistance here at 18,000. So that's a good sign, but nothing to hammer home just yet here, in my opinion. It shows wisdom. Yeah, exactly. Hate when white people bring attention to white people. You fell for the BS. What? Okay. It was more like boomers. The problem is, you go to a Leafs game, these guys aren't out of their seats screaming and cheering. It's like pretty much like a business meeting. That's the problem. It's like it's become so like a status thing in Toronto. It's like going to a Dodgers game and sitting in the front row, you know? Seasons, front row Dodgers, right? Like, I don't know. Whatever you're into, guys. Looks like we have continuation here trying to push up out of the golden pocket slap. But this is very indecisive here. No direction. There's no trade zone here. No trade zone. What do you guys think? Up or down? Put a 1 for a long, put a 2 for a short. What does your feelings tell you? That's the best one. What does your feelings tell you? A nice 24-minute trigger wave here to the downside. Overextended, man. That's the problem. This is all juicy liquidity, baby. We got bearish divergence. If we can sweep the highs, my God, I will giga short this thing down into the depths of despise. If we SFP here, bear div, I'm gonna back up the truck. I'll put like a $500,000 short on. I don't care. I'm trying to add size. It's so hard. So Trader Geo and I have been talking about adding size. So like I typically trade to a $100,000 to $200,000 position size USDT, but I wanna trade the $400,000 or $500,000 position sizes. I'm there. I'm ready. I'm hungry. Still risking 1%. I'm not going to change my risk. I'm only risking like 0.3, 0.6% of my portfolio per trade right now. So I got room to grow, but it gets scary, man. It gives you puckering. You know what I mean? But it's scalable. That's why trading is beautiful, because it's so scalable. This is a very ugly, and you guys all know here, I hate a symmetrical triangle. Absolutely hate it. I won't touch a symmetrical triangle, you know, with Billies and Pipers pushing. That's how much I despise it. So we wait. Nice hammer candle continuation here. Yes, I went there, Billy. I went there. I love you, bro. When Gio and I hang out, we're about 6 feet tall, bro. We're almost as tall as Tony Soprano. Look at this, man. This is disgusting, man. Short, long, short. And they tell me to listen to the chat. I gotta poll it. You guys are all over the place, man. Bullish to 83K is my best prediction. I like that, Maya. Me and my girlfriend talked about that. Oh, okay. The short kings are great traders, I must say. It's hobbits. It's on the simulator when I played golf. My name was T Baggins. Because in the simulator in golf, there's like an announcer, so it's like T Baggins up to the tee. I used Dusty Hunt one time as well. I mean, Seymour Butts, Dusty Hunt. It just gives me a giggle. Don't take life too seriously. I mean, take your trading seriously. This is your money. You don't mess around with your money, but shorts are opening, HFG says. Lurking impatiently, waiting for Trump's market crash tactics and annexation of Canada to the west of the world. 90s. Yeah. Sounds good to me. Chilling after 4 profitable trades. Let's go, Albert Rajag, my man. Great job, bro. Dick McHammerbush. I like that. I might use that one next. What is your best funny name that you would like put in like a bowling alley? You know, your name on the bowling alley screen or whatever, right? Seymour Butts. I mean, we all know the Simpsons classics. We got a short bias here. This is no trade, guys. Look at this complete dog poop. This is a bear flag, if anything. I would never listen to the chat. No. People yell at me when I don't take their trades because they told me so. So, Phil McCracken. I like that. You guys are the joyful journey. My God, that's a bit sawdust bukkake. Pete Sat. Pete Sat. Pete Sahat. That got me, man. I use Mike Hunt a lot. Dusty, do you include the a lot? Betty Swallix. What about T. Baggins? Did you guys like that one? Mike Oxlong. Bend Over. Barry McCockner. Phil McCracken. What about just Amanda? Wankalot. Wankalot. You guys are going to get me banned on YouTube. Oh, too funny, man. I love T. Baggins. Yeah, T. Baggins is good. I love it. Just in case, was a lawyer here in North Carolina. Seymour Butts, yeah. Holden Tooltix. Mick Nolan. Bullish flag? Is that what you think? Calm down, my friend. Calm down. Okay, Fabio. My God. Long Dong Silver. That's good. Buck Naked. Of course it is. This is a fake out. Watch this. Fake you out. Ooh, Naz is ripping, baby. The Naz is ripping. That's bullish, man. That's bullish. Back up the truck. You might be getting long here, friends. Be Phil McCracken. Philatio. My God. You guys are going to get me in so much trouble. Very overextended, friends. I'm be hunting for a short all day. Probably got continuation here first. We got a camel toe pattern up at the highs here on the 12-minute. This could break down. What have we done? We have these nasty patterns. We're talking a bunch of smack today. We're streaming past 10 o'clock. That's why. This is like witching hour has begun already. Witching hour has begun already. Nice push here. Still long. Nice, Eddie. Alex, do another hour on YouTube. I got my family to have breakfast with, man. I got my family to have breakfast with. There's nothing better. The reason why you get into trading. You don't get into trading to spend 24/7 on the charts. We up $300 today. People would love to make. I mean, that's like $500 Canadian, right? And plus, there's plenty of more time to trade. Plenty of time to trade. All day long. We be trading in the Discord. We be giving setups. We're gonna go. Maybe we go and hang out with the Discord and do some live today on the Discord. Maybe a little special event for all y'all. For all y'all. See how I said that? That's for all y'all. Can't beat hanging out with the little man and the wife. Look for continuation here. Rejection here. Rejection here. Okay. Oops, my bad. It's the new mouse, guys. VWAP slap. VWAP slap for the long. VWAP slap for the long. Possibility. Put in a lot of support here. I still want to see this high taken, at least. VWAP slap, still looking here. Let's just get continuation back up here. This looks like continuation for now. I mean, the Nasdaq's looking super strong, right? Choppy waters, man. Choppy waters. Trading this ain't easy, friends. That's what I got to say about this. Really, I'm just and trying to hold on here and hang out with you guys, but really it's not giving us a heck of a lot of options, really. Is it? What do you guys think? I'd like to see it go up here. Like the long looks viable. That's what I see right now. I'd prefer here. But the long seems viable up into here and then cut it and run. But it's just the overextension, right? The overextension to the upside is what's got me a little bit concerned for the short this morning. Coming down to VWAP right now. See if we can bounce. What a wild, 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 wild price action day already. Just chopping everybody up. Trapping longs, trapping shorts, sweeping lows, sweeping highs. All that fun stuff, man. Just a crazy day in the crypto world. Anybody in a trade here? Just hanging around VWAP, man. This is pretty crazy. Hanging around VWAP, see if we can get a slap. Short, long, short. Brew just went live, yeah. Let's send them over to Brewberry, guys. Everybody here. We got our other amazing trader in our Discord, a great person. Go over here. I can't redirect you today. I don't know why. Brew can continue. This is why we have an amazing Discord, amazing group of people. Go over to that link. That is our Discord trader. He'll do all your analysis for you. An amazing guy, great person, great trader as well. Definitely help you out navigating these charts. I'm going to head out. $300 today. Great job, everybody. Have a wonderful day. I will see you guys in the Discord. To all the Otter family, God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'm going to go and hang out with the fam. So I'll see you guys later. God bless. Trade safe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.
but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low.